You've no doubt heard about drawing down the moon, but what are the benefits of drawing down the moon, and what exactly is drawing down the moon in the first place? Hi, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, and if you're new to the channel and you want to become a witch or a Wiccan, or you just want to learn more about Wicca and witchcraft, hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss anything. This video is about drawing down the moon. And the reason why I came to doing this video is because I had just finished a module on the Mystery Witch School Academy course, and it was about lunar rites, and I teach people in that module how to draw down the moon. So I thought I might do a quick video on YouTube to talk about the benefits of drawing down the moon. Drawing down the moon is in traditional witchcraft. It was part of coven work, and still is, with traditional witches, where the high priest would draw down the goddess into the high priestess in pretty much most Wiccan rituals. So whether that was lunar rituals or whether it was Sabbats, a general ritual with the whole coven together, often part of the ritual was drawing down the moon. There's also a ritual called drawing down the sun, where the high priestess would draw the god into the high priest. But what do you do if you're a solitary witch and you've got nobody drawing anything into you except your own ability to draw something into yourself? Drawing down the moon isn't just about drawing in the goddess energy. The goddess is everywhere. So she's not just, hanging around in the moon, but it's a symbol of the feminine. The lunar energy is about drawing in, certainly you can draw down that lunar energy to help you to connect and draw down the essences of the lunar deities, and that's the lunar goddesses as well as the lunar gods. It's also more than that. The moon reflects the sunlight, it's reflecting light, so you can actually draw in the light of the moon and the energy of the moon. It's a much gentler energy than the energy of the sun. And it's an energy that you can use when you draw it in to help you with divination, to help you with your scrying, for example, to help you direct the energy that you're drawing into various parts of your body if you're wanting to do healing, to help you with your intuition, and to use in your spell work. So if you are going to be using energy work in your magic, which I also teach in the Mystery Witch School Academy work, is how to use energy work, you can use the lunar energy to bring that energy into the energy work and then project that energy, or do whatever it is that you're doing for working with that energy, with the lunar energy in that as well. So that's also great for spell work, for example. Or if you're doing a Sabbat and it's corresponding to the full moon, then you can use that also to channel into whatever working you're doing in the Sabbat as well. So lunar energy is an energy that you can certainly work with. So although traditionally it was done at any time of the month because it was really about drawing in the goddess energy, if you're working with the lunar energy from an energetic point of view, from a light point of view, you are going to be wanting to watch that you're drawing in the moon energy when the moon is around full. So that can be, as it's just late, 3 days up before full, and even 3 days after it's full, you can still utilize that energy for your spell work. And it's as simple as that. That's as simple as what the benefits are of drawing down that lunar energy and using it as much as you can in your magic, and enjoying it, and also using it to invigorate yourself in that much more gentler, more feminine way. If you're doing shadow work, for example, you may want to draw in that lunar energy to help you connect deeper with your subconscious mind as well. And these, of course, are all the things that I teach in the Mystery Witch School Academy, which is especially for people who are feeling stuck in learning how to become a witch or a Wiccan, just don't know where to start, feeling overwhelmed, and don't feel confident doing it on their own. The details to that course are in the description field below this video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave comments, let me know what you are doing with lunar energy, and if you want me to do a video about something else, pop that in there too. And thank you all for watching and supporting the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Blessed be.